Here is great apps called MangaPin. Is a manga web browser, auto manga reader mode, easy library management. MangaPin is all-in-one web browser for manga lovers. Read without distractions with built-in ad block and manga reader mode, effortless reading, browse and read seamlessly, powerful tracking, organize your collection, offline access, external trackers, and then you can just open it up. And here's you have home, library, reading, pause, plan. Very kind of minimalistic and great manga reader, as you can see in here. Then you can see filters. You can see upcoming updates. There is like a library where you can import. You can also upgrade in here, $25 annual or $3 monthly. And then you can just go through the websites which are suggested for you in here. So quite cool app.